Now we have a next presentation, Building a Personal Brand. It is presented by Mr. Basavaraj, Head Health Agency, SBI General Insurance. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome Mr. Basavaraj along with all of you to deliver his presentation on a very, very important topic which is planned really well in the series of presentation today, that is building a personal brand, which could be of immense value to all of us for upcoming business enterprises and industry professionals. Welcome, sir.
Very good morning, everyone. I'll be more comfortable in the mic rather than the podium. Very good morning once again. With the due respect to all the dignitaries and with due respect to all the elders out here, and also I have seen the youngsters out here, nearly about 700 people who are gathered here. I don't know, this topic itself is a complex topic, the brand. And the kind of a brand which I'm representing, the SBI General, and SBI itself is the biggest brand in the country. Sometimes I confuse the people who are out here, the people who have come here, you yourself is a brand. Because of the kind of a brand which you have created, that is a precise reason probably we all are sitting together. I was remembering when I was entering BSc, this is the first of its kind where I am addressing the crowd in BSc 17 years, 18 years back. When I was working as a sales officer, I used to have a lot of field work over here. Then I used to stand out. I used to stand out in BSc. I used to fear entering. अगर मैं अंदर जाता मेरे को क्या बोलते हैं? I used to scare. Then today, thanks to Mr. Vyas for giving this opportunity, allowed me to enter BSc and addressing this wonderful crowd out here. So it's a journey. The journey of 18 years started with a sales officer, and today heading health agency for SBI. I'm sure the journey talks a lot about. I'm sure that the brand which talks a lot about. I'm sure the trust which the companies carry in myself makes a lot of difference. A lot of youngsters are out. Lot of youngsters are here. My only submission to all of you is yes, God has given a talent to all of us. God has given a talent to all of us. Please utilize your brand. The only thing which I spoke about the brand, you yourself is a brand. When you yourself is a brand, just try to fine-tune it. Try to fine-tune your brand. Then how do you take out from here, and how do you manage yourself? How do you behave yourself? How do you carry yourself? It's all about the self. No one will come to you to talk. No one will come and talk about the brand to promote you. You are the best person. You are the best salesperson where you are promoting yourself. My only request and submission to all of you, भगवान ने हमको सब कुछ दिया है, भगवान ने mind दिया है, भगवान ने talent दिया है. Yes, we have to utilize that and we have to excel. Anchor was saying, money should talk about us. Yes, money should earn. Yeah. Money should. It's all the theoretical part. The only thing is, I'm sure, lakhs of books are there where you all get, how to create a brand yourself. The only thing is, which I want to be more practical in, giving you the examples where I've come across. I just, give you 2 examples where I have come across in my career out here in the insurance industry. This is my 19th year of insurance career, where I have worked in remotest of the areas as well in the initial days of my career. When I was a branch manager, I have recruited security. I have recruited a security, and I used to get about 6,000-7,000 rupees a salary in a month, where his job is to enter into the whoever comes to the office. His job is to take an entry. When he saw the kind of a commission, when he saw the kind of when he saw the kind of earnings where he get an opportunity in the insurance industry was immense. Then he came to me and he was talking about, sir, I want to quit. I want to quit this profession. I want to join in the insurance industry as an agent. Then I said, why do you want to take the risk? You are getting a salary of 6,000 rupees. That is more than enough to take care of your family. That is more than enough to take care of family. Then he said, no, I want to pursue this career. Then I said, yes, 2-3 policy kar lega, 12, 13 policies he'll do. Security, I am sure the security, the perception which he was carrying initial days, I'm sure he was, I thought, 12-13 policy kar lega, and then he will, lead his life. The kind of a journey he has created, the kind of a brand he has created, the kind of a trust he has created, the kind of a character he has pursued himself during those 10 years, it is the biggest advantage for himself, the kind of service he has given to his clients. Today, you don't believe, friends, today he is earning not less than 1 crore rupees annually. That is the power of financial industry. That is the power of the brand. That is the power of the brand which he has created. I'm sure everyone are working for this wonderful financial industry. Every opportunity we have got here, every opportunity we can create here. So only thing is, how do we need to take it ahead is depends on the self. Another classic example which I want to give. I am sure everyone are aware about Mr. Deepak Parekh. Have you heard about it? Who is he? He is one of the, he was the biggest life insurance advisor, correct? He is the toppest life insurance advisor. Today, when I was presenting in Bangalore, when I was, giving this, I was addressing the top advisors during my initial days. I told one of my agent, I was told one of my advisor, I was told one of my financial advisor, I have quoted his example, you have to beat Mr. Parekh, who is the number one LIC agent those days. Then he said, sir, give me some time. Definitely, I'll beat. I'll make sure. I'll keep your words. Then I believed in him. It's about 10, 12 years back, 13 years back. And today, you don't believe, friends. Today, he is the number one life insurance agent, and he is earning not less than 7 crore rupees in a year. Serving 25,000 agents, serving 25,000 customers. It's all about you. It's all about self. It's all about the brand which we create. So with this, two practical quotes, I would want to end. It's already a time late, where I take this a reason to speak less, because of you are already running late. So thank you so much, Mr. Vyas, for providing this wonderful opportunity to talk about the brand. I would want to only end with this presentation. You yourself is a brand. Please fine-tune yourself. I am sure in next 10, 20, 25 years, during your career, you will come out with the biggest brand in yourself. Thank you so much for providing this wonderful opportunity.